ready yet. We not ready. They not ready yet. They say, we not ready yet. We gonna wait till they ready, y'all. All right. I don't hear it. They say, I'm done. I'm done. Take me out. Ooh. First time ever, y'all. First time. Fried ribs. Oh, look at them, y'all. Look at them. Look at them. Look, y'all. Look at this Masterbuilt. It's a bad boy here, y'all. Ooh, this is a bad boy. Boy. Come close, baby. Come close. Look at them fried ribs, y'all. Woo! Blame it on the head. Look at them fried ribs there. I'm gonna put sauce on half, and I'm gonna put sauce on none of the other half. Be back in a minute. Watch out. Look at these. You know what? I don't want to get no flour on them. What if they roll off on the floor? I'm gonna pick them up, put them back in the grease. Yes, I am. I'll be like, oh shit. We be back here. That wasn't to me. Show it to me. Show it to me. That wasn't to me, y'all. We just played. Something else fell, y'all. That wasn't to me. We just played. Put the rest of these in here. That was perfect timing, though, wasn't it? I gotta bite it. You know I gotta bite it high. I ain't playing. Ooh, look at that. Look at that pork chop. Ha, baby back rib. Hey, wait till I put the sauce on the side. Look at that. Look at it. I ain't playing, y'all. We just first time trying everything. Y'all try it. Look at that there, smoking.